Oh yeah, what up, guys? This is the boy Dennis here. Today I'm so excited to share with you my result on how I made 116 revenue uh, in just one day with just free traffic, guys. As you can see here, this is my Jvzoo account. As you can see here, yesterday I had two visitors. I mean I have one visitor, and one visitor just bought two product. There's one product I was promoting yesterday, and the guy just bought a 116 and the N58 in revenue. All this in just in one day, guys. In past 3 days, I just made more than, let's check here. I just want to show you the power of affiliate marketing on how it works, guys. It's really working. As you can see, all these results that I'm getting for free, guys. I'm just using free traffic, not even paid ad. Just spending your money. No, I'm not spending any money. This is all free traffic. Okay, let's go and see how much I made in 3 days. Yeah, let's go. Jvzoo Pay. This is my Jvzoo account. Yeah, as you can see, in just 3 days, I made 106.50 just with the free traffic in 3 days. And as you can see, this is the new account. I have another account. I have multiple accounts. I have Walio Plus. I have ClickBank. Yeah. So yeah, I'm making it, guys. As you can see, it's really working, guys. Just made this money with free traffic. So yeah, this was for today, guys. I just want to share you my result on how I made money. I'm not like I'm boasting. I'm showing. I'm just to encourage you that it is possible that you can make. You'll be the second person. You'll be the next one to make all this kind of result, and you'll be gonna make more and more and more as long as you keep on pushing hard, guys. You keep on working. If you're not lazy, you'll be seeing result like this. As you can see, guys, yeah, this is it. I'm not boasting like, yeah, I want to show you things there. No, I'm not like that. Yeah, I'm just showing you that it works. This is small money, guys. It's not like I can boast with this money. No, yeah, that is it, guys, for today. Thank you so much. I just want to encourage you, please, if you're new to my channel. In this channel, we always talk about making money online. So if you're interested on learning how to make money with affiliate marketing, please click the subscribe to my channel, and also like and leave the comment below. It really helped me with a YouTube algorithm. It helped me to make all these kind of videos daily, guys. And also, if you're interested on making money, I'm going to leave the link down below there, so that you can go through and learn also what affiliate marketing is, and you start doing in the correct way. I'm going to leave the link down below there. Yes, guys, this is it. Dennis. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Yeah. Bye bye, guys.